If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To name an embedded chart in Excel, select the embedded chart to name within a worksheet. Then click into the Name box at the left end of the formula bar. Then type a new name for the selected chart. Finally, press the Enter key on your keyboard to apply the new chart name. Naming a chart in Excel lets you more easily refer to the chart if you have multiple charts in a workbook. It also helps by giving the chart a name to use in VBA or Visual Basic for Applications coding if ever required. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.